Hello everyone! Welcome back to Neffy Cat! We're really glad that you can join us today. I wanted to talk to all of you about penny stocks because penny stocks are something I knew extremely little about, almost nothing about. I remember learning about them when I first got into trading, but that's a term you'll hear, penny stock. I used to hear all the way even back in high school. People used to say penny stocks are illegal. Well, penny stocks from companies that are that low in price for very long, I suppose might be illegal because the SEC won't allow them to trade for super long. But let's talk about what penny stocks are. So a penny stock, as you could well imagine, is a small market cap stock that has under $10 billion worth of stock. And one of the ways that you can, kind of classify a penny stock is if the stock is under $10 per share. So one of those little dimes right there would perfectly represent the $10 price mark. So if you see one and you're thinking about trading into it, you need to make sure to find out that it's not at risk. The SEC does have a list of stocks that are at risk for being delisted. And it's on their website. They have a page that has their listings there that are companies at risk. And it doesn't always mean for sure that the company will be delisted, but it will be if it doesn't improve. So one thing that you'll see sometimes that penny stock companies will try to do, they may try to split their shares. They may try to buy back a bunch of shares from the companies, and in order to, or CEOs or others involved with the company, in order to help, get a smaller amount of them available to people so that the demand will go up and then the price. And those are types of things that they can do. Okay, so should you trade into those creatures? They're considered very, very, very volatile. The prices can go up and down very quickly within the space of a day, a minute even, or 2 minutes. And so with that in mind, they're considered also very risky. They're an area that, especially I find newbie day traders, but other day traders too that are skilled at momentary catalysts, at momentary fluctuations, and that watch those stocks like a hawk. They may trade into them and make some tindies on them, and I am a person who has in the past, but I've also had times where I lost money from, especially in my early trading days, from those. And it's not like I let myself lose huge amounts even back in the year because I am careful about risk management, at least I try to be. But if you do something like a day stock, risk management is absolutely necessary. Yeah, if you're going to go into one of those penny stocks, you're going to be extra, extra careful. So a big deal with penny stocks is that any catalyst can cause great fluctuation. Now you think of a large cap stock, let's say Roku, or let's say Amazon, Google, something more stable like that. The catalyst can affect the price of the stock, but it's not going to do the amount usually that you're going to see in a penny stock. A penny stock, you have one thing go right or wrong, and the price can fluctuate absolutely wildly. So it really is a risky type of trade. So if you do ever want to get into these, be careful. They can look very, very tempting because they can be hardly anything. And you may see something, say, at 50 cents a share and go, oh my gosh, if I paid $50 I'd get 100 shares. But be careful about that because that price can fluctuate so quickly that you won't have a handle on it. So a lot of traders will give the advice of don't hodl those ones. Usually they're intraday, which means within the same day or within a day or two, because those things oftentimes go crazy, either direction. Well, now, today's video is a little short, but it's very cold out here. There's big wind out here, and somebody is already getting very restless. If you enjoy the content of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and press the like button. Don't forget that you can press the subscribe button and see all Neffy Cat videos. And you can press the notification bell as well. Thank you all so much for joining us today. Everyone have a wonderful day. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.